Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video, another new great open source repository, and its name is Last 30 Days Skill. So this repository got popular nowadays. Basically, it will give your AI agent to research on any topic, and the topic can be anything and the platform can be anything. Here you see, this is the description: AI agent skill that searches any topic across the Reddit, X, YouTube, HN, Polymarket, and the web, and then synthesizes a grounded summary. So you don't have to search the topic on Google, or you don't have to search on ChatGPT. Just give the requirement to this last 30 day skill, and it will do that full research from any of the website, from any of the blog, from any of the PDF, and will provide you. So basically, it is an open source AI research skill that will help AI coding agents do the research what has happened on any topic over the last 30 days by combining the multiple sources into single synthesized report. And here you see, only just you have to write /30 days and the topic name. Okay, now inside Claude Code, here you see they have given this skill addition comment, and also in case of Codex, Cursor, Copilot, Gemini CLI, and any of the 50 plus agent that we are using, there you can use it like this. Now if you add -g or -g, then it will be added globally. So if you do this global installation, then inside any of the AI agent you can use it. Okay, now let me show you inside the Claude Code. So for that I will just copy this first command, and I will go inside the Claude Code and paste it and press enter, and now you will see that they are cloning the repository and will add it inside the Claude Code marketplace. Now let me copy the second comment. So I have copied the install command, and here you see successfully added to the marketplace. Now I have to install this 30-day skill, this plugin. Okay, now for that let me copy it again. So let me open it here and paste it and slash plugin install. So let me do that, and here you see it is discovering install for you. Yes, and now it is installing, and here you see it got added. Now I have to reload the plugin so that I can use this last 30 days skill plugin. Now it got reloaded. Now if I just write slash last 30 days, and here you see we have this last 30 days command. So now let me select it. Okay, and here you see I can give the command or the requirement. Okay, so how can I give that? Let's say slash last 30 days, and after that I can give this kind of requirement like here you see what happened in AI coding agent space over the last month. Now, if I just press enter, you will see that it will work. And here you see it is asking me to do the setup, means slash last 30 days. I research on any topic across Reddit, X, YouTube, TikTok, and archive, and a lot of sources. Okay, and now it is asking me how would you like to do the setup? Auto setup? Yes, I will choose this auto setup. Now let's see. So it is actually spawning some of the subagents, and it will do the setup for you. You don't have to do anything manually. And yes, and here you see that now the setup is completed, and the command that I have gave is what happened in the AI coding agent space over the last month. And here you see they are searching on web AI coding agents new 2026, and this is the July 2026. This month they are searching because today is July 31st, so last month means the whole July month, right? So that's why they are searching it, and let's see what kind of response we get. And here you see that we have got the response after doing this research. So from where it got the response, here you see from this Polymarket it has got, and also from other sources. Okay, what kind of this research was going on in AI coding agent space over the last month, and this is the last 30 days data, and these are the like information with the sources, this GitHub, and also there are some other blog posts like Reddit, and here you see parallel agent tooling is the dominant thread this month, and this local first and self-maintaining agent infra in the second wave, and visual feedback and coordination layer round out the stack. And this is the pinpoint website, and this is the polymarket data. And also here you see a number of upvotes for the specific threads from Reddit, from GitHub, and also here you see a lot of things. Okay, so in this way you can actually do the research on any topic. Now if you ask me that how will you help it in your coding, so this skill would not help much in your coding agent, and it can still support coding indirectly, like for example, if you are looking which React state library is gaining traction this month or this last week, whether to adapt a new framework, or what breaking changes people are reporting after a major release for any Lambda library, and what developers thinking about a newly released SDK. So regarding that, you can actually get the information, but it will not write the code, it will not fix the bug, or it will not run the test, and also it will not refactor your code, and also it will not review the peers. So I hope you got this point. This skill actually really very helpful. Please use it and let me know your thought about this 30-day skill, this command, this skill in comment section. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care, and please like this video and subscribe this channel to get this kind of latest AI related innovations daily.